If you are going through a breakup and for some reason it end up not working out, you may think that you miss the person, but what you really miss is the dopamine that they give you. Let me explain. You're actually addicted to the feelings that the person gave you, not the person itself. You are not actually crying over them. You're crying over the feeling of being wanted, the sense of being seen, the validation, the touch, the predictability that you used to get. And until you admit that, आप प्यार crave नहीं करोगे, आप relief crave करोगे. You are not actually fighting the loss of that person. You're fighting the emptiness inside of you. Your relationship with them was a bandage, a patch for emptiness, for loneliness, anxiety, for being unwanted. Now that the bandage has been ripped off, the holes are wide open. Now the pain that you feel is not from the breakup, it's the pain of being left alone. It is the pain of returning to yourself, the part that you have been ignoring for such a long time, that you have been filling up with people and relationships. इस awareness के बाद आपको ये पता चल जाएगा that there was never a real wholeness inside of you. You've been looking that outside of you, in other people, in things, to fill that void within you. Now you want to understand that why this relationship fell apart, so you can calm down, right? We can also call this closure कि closure नहीं मिला. But the logic behind the breakup won't bring you any peace. Your brain wants control, but your soul actually wants to let go. It's a constant tug of war situation basically between your mind and your heart. The most dangerous moment happens after this, when you're just checking in. Their stories, their messages, checking up with their friends. You do all of this because you feel empty inside. Simple. You will not find something in them what you need to build in yourself. Every time you check their story, you stock up on them. You're taking a step back into your own immaturity. इसके बाद एक phase आता है, you want someone new, जिसको हम rebound भी कह सकते हैं. A bandage for the pain. Again, it's not gonna be love, it's gonna be another quick fix. Now this will become a pattern. Until you sit with yourself in solitude. Not as a punishment, but as an initiation. कि whatever steps you're gonna take after this, for that you need to break a pattern, and for that you need to sit alone with yourself. Ki why is this happening? Why I keep following into the same toxic patterns of myself or other people? But only you can get to that conclusion. Something that I have learned the hard way is love is not I'm less miserable with you. Love is I'm whole with or without you. And once you come to this realization, it will hit you harder than a breakup. But it will be for your own benefit. It will build you into the person that you're gonna be.